Welcome to my YouTube channel Bikeverse. The 2026 Honda Rebel 300 E-Clutch is here, redefining modern cruiser styling with advanced technology and effortless performance. This latest version of the Rebel family is a perfect blend of comfort, power, and design that makes every ride feel like pure freedom. Honda has always been known for innovation, and the 2026 Rebel 300 E-Clutch takes that legacy forward with its smooth, automatic E-Clutch system, which allows riders to enjoy the feel of a manual bike without the hassle of using the clutch lever. This means you can shift gears easily whether you're a beginner or an experienced rider. The 286cc single-cylinder liquid-cooled engine delivers a powerful 27 horsepower and 26 Nm of torque, giving you strong mid-range acceleration and a thrilling ride experience. The bike is tuned for both city cruising and highway comfort, with an advanced 6-speed gearbox that ensures smooth power delivery on every throttle twist. The 2026 Rebel 300's design remains iconic with a low seat height of just 690 mm, making it extremely easy to handle for all riders. Its muscular fuel tank wide handlebar and minimalist LED headlamp give it a bold street presence, while the matte black finish and new custom color options enhance its premium appeal. This model also features a fully digital LCD instrument cluster, showing gear position, fuel economy, and trip details, ensuring riders stay connected with every detail on the go. The E-Clutch system is the biggest highlight. It automatically engages and disengages the clutch as you shift gears using the standard lever or foot pedal, allowing a natural and confident control over the bike. Without any fatigue, the chassis is made from high tensile steel, giving superior stability and balance, while the suspension setup includes 41mm telescopic front forks and twin rear shocks, tuned for perfect comfort. Even on rough roads, braking duties are handled by a 296mm front disc and 220mm rear disc, with dual-channel ABS ensuring safety in every ride. Honda has also equipped this bike with advanced ride-by-wire technology and optional traction control for more stability during acceleration on slippery surfaces. With a curb weight of just 191 kilograms and a fuel tank capacity of 11 liters, it's light, nimble, and efficient, returning an impressive mileage of around 35 to 38 km per liter. The top speed stands at 135 kmph, making it an ideal choice for daily commuters and long distance riders. The Rebel 300 E-Clutch 2026 model brings an upgraded exhaust note, a sportier rear design, and refined body graphics that reflect a more futuristic look compared to its previous generation. This model will be available in multiple variants, including a base and a touring edition, both featuring the same E-Clutch technology, but with added accessories for long rides. The expected price in India will range between 2.5 to 2.8 lakh rupees. Ex-showroom and launch is expected in early 2026. With this upgrade, Honda aims to attract a new generation of riders who seek the joy of motorcycling without compromise on ease or performance. This is not just a motorcycle. It's a statement of style, freedom, and smart engineering. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to Bikeverse for more amazing motorcycle content. Stay connected for the latest reviews, launches, and updates about upcoming bikes. Your support keeps us motivated to bring more exciting bike stories. Till then, ride safe and keep exploring the world on two wheels.